Hi everyone and welcome. Previously we have discussed about the ACEBOTT Smart Car Starter Kit. Okay, now we have one extension of this ACEBOTT Smart Car Starter Kit, which is ESP32 camera extension. Okay, here you can see improved expansion pack ESP32 camera module. Okay, so in this video we will discuss about this ESP32 camera expansion kit. Okay, now what you will get inside this kit, so that thing we are going to see. So yeah, so first of all you will get ESP32 camera module. Okay, so let's open this. Okay, so here you can see the camera module from the ACEBOTT. Okay, and you can program it using USB-C, so it's very good. Then after you will get this connectors, okay, or you can say the structure for ESP32 camera module. Then after you will get this nut, bolt, screw and everything to fit your camera module onto the ACEBOTT Smart Car Starter Kit. Okay, then after you will get this jumper cables. Okay, and you will get this cable tie. Okay, and here you will get the help and support card from the ACEBOTT. Okay, so if you got any problem, then you can send them a mail, and if you want to download the tutorial or if you want to visit their website, then here is their website details. Okay, so with the ACEBOTT ESP32 camera expansion kit, you will get this ESP32 camera, you will get these jumper cables. Okay, you will get these nuts and bolt and cable ties and the structure to mount this camera module onto your ACEBOTT Smart Car Starter Kit. Okay, so this is all you will get with this camera expansion kit. Okay, so if you have the ACEBOTT Smart Car Starter Kit and if you want to upgrade it with the camera, then you can go for this ESP32 camera expansion kit. Okay, and here is the number QD002, so you can purchase it from the ACEBOTT website. And if you are in India and if you want to buy it, then you can contact us. We will get it for you and we will get it delivered on your doorstep. Okay, so stay tuned for the future videos. Till then, take care, goodbye and thank you.